Hi guys, I'm back with an update about my lock extensions. It's been a while and I'm almost getting to the 3-year mark. That will be in 2 months. I will have my 3-year anniversary, and I would like to give you an update, so stay tuned. Okay, let's begin with the most obvious change, and that is the fact that I don't have lock extensions anymore. I already said that in my last video, but yeah, it's been a few months now that I took out my lock extensions. So basically this is my own hair, and I've had to cut some off even more to create an even length. So yeah, I don't have any more lock extensions. I only have my own hair, and the reason I removed the lock extensions was because I created some damage because I used bleach on the lock extensions and some of them were damaged. And also another big reason was the fact that the lock to part ratio wasn't great. The lock extensions were a bit thick compared to my own hair. So I took them out, and I took them out with the idea of installing a new pair of extensions. And it's been almost 6 months now and I haven't installed a new pair of extensions yet, because I just wanted to experience having just my hair for a while. To be honest, I am looking forward to getting new extensions because yeah, having locks at this length, there's not much you can do with them in terms of styles, and I honestly love the way long locks look. I went to my lactation yesterday and she tightened the roots, and there were ladies there who had long locks, and I looked at them, I was like, I want my hair to look like that, and I'm not gonna wait. I don't know how long I have to wait for that length. So maybe the next time you see me, I will have long locks again. And yeah, so that's what I'm planning to do. As when it comes to my growth, so like I said, it's been almost 3 years, and my hair isn't that long. I've seen people on YouTube who show their 3-year progress and their hair is up to here. My hair doesn't grow that fast. I'm just happy that my hair is healthy, and yeah, so this is for me the growth I had for yeah, having locks for 3 years. So like I said, I'm not about to sit here and wait. I don't know how many years I have to wait. I think it might be 15 years till I get the length I want. So that's why I'm probably going to get lock extensions. I'm just happy that my own hair has locked. So when I get the lock extensions, when I take them out, whenever I feel like taking them out, I'll still have my own hair. Yeah, so when it comes to maintenance and taking care of my locks, I don't do much. I don't think I do enough. I should take care of it a bit more, I think. I use a mixture of rose water and aloe vera water to moisturize my hair, and sometimes I use a tiny bit of avocado oil, not much. Yeah, in the beginning of my lock journey, I used to saturate my locks with oil, like lots of oil, and I've stopped doing that. I've learned that putting a lot of oil on your locks is not the best thing to do. The best thing is to moisturize it with yeah, something based on water, because water is the thing that is the best product to moisturize your hair. Oil does not moisturize your hair. Some oils are good for your hair to add some nutrition, and I like using aloe vera oil and another oil I forgot of the name of now, Moroccan oil. What's it called again? I forgot, but it's the Moroccan oil. So yeah, that's what I do. And I also go to the lactation now. I don't retwist my own hair. I don't have the energy to do that, and I don't like how it looks when I do it myself, because yeah, I don't like the interlocking method. That's the method I would use, or even the twisting method. I don't like that either. I love the method my lactation uses, and she uses a needle, not a crochet needle, so she doesn't crochet it. It's a different method. I haven't seen it on YouTube. It's a thick needle, and I don't know, it's the needle they use to make like sweaters, and they will just, yeah, put in the loose strands. It's a different method. I wish somebody would put a tutorial on YouTube about that method. I haven't seen anything like that. And what I like about that method is that it keeps my hair fluffy. Like I said, I went to the lactation yesterday, and look how my roots are looking. It's still fluffy. I don't like the way, yeah, the locks look when people do use other methods like interlocking or the twisting. The roots will look really thin, and yeah, it looks sleek, but I don't like how it looks. I prefer the roots to look puffy, and I also don't like when you can see people's scalp through their locks because the roots are so thin and sleek. That's not my thing. So I go to the lactation, and I used to go often. I used to go about every 6 weeks, but I stopped doing that, and now I go maybe once every 3 months, which is also fine. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to having lock extensions again. To be honest, I made a pair of lock extensions, a new set, but I'm not going to install them. I want to buy new ones from Macon Styles, the place I bought the hair I used to make lock extensions, because I feel like the professionally made lock extensions are a bit better than the ones I make myself. I'm not gonna lie. They're just a bit more sturdy, and even though mine are not bad and I made a batch, I've decided I'm just gonna buy it, and it's really expensive. It's gonna be about $700 and more, but yeah, you know, I have to be happy with the way I look, and it's a good investment because I've had locks for 3 years, and those extensions will last at least 3 years, and women buy wigs that cost like $500 all the time, and I haven't been buying any hair or wigs in the past 3 years, so I feel like it evens out a bit, and it's still even cheaper than when I used to wear wigs and do my hair. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting my lock extensions, and so far I can say that I'm really happy about my decision to get lock extensions. Yeah, do I feel like going back to wearing weave and wigs? And I honestly don't. When I go on Instagram and I see girls with their wigs and slaying the glue on their hairline, I don't really feel like going back to that time. I don't know, the idea that I can just run my hands through my hair, I don't have to be wearing something on top of my head like a hat all the time. It just wasn't for me. I mean, it looks great if you can slay a wig. To be honest, a lot of ladies don't slay the wig that well. If you can slay your wig, it's great. Like, if that's your thing, fine, it looks good. But for me, I'm happy I took this step, and I don't see myself going back to wearing wigs and weaves in the future. And to be honest, if you have long locks, to me, it looks just as pretty and feminine as having a long weave. When I see on Instagram, it's weird. My Instagram feed is a mixture of lace front wigs and locks. So I see the ladies who do the crazy lace wigs and the crazy styles, and I see the ladies who have natural hair and have long locks, and it's all fine. Everybody should do what makes them happy. But I think ladies who are struggling with the wigs and who are not happy deep inside about wearing those wigs, because for me, another reason I couldn't deal with wigs was because I have an itchy scalp, so I was always like itching and tapping my head. If that is also a problem for you, you can really ditch the wigs. And I understand not everybody would like lock extension, short locks like I have, you know, the struggle locks. But that's where lock extensions come in. You can have locks up to your butt if you want to, instantly. So I think lock extensions is a great way to get people on board who want to get locks but don't really feel like going through the struggle phase. And I have to be honest, that's the only reason I was able to get locks, because I didn't have to do the struggle phase. And I'm not saying this is a struggle phase. I mean, this isn't terrible, but to be honest, I would like my hair to be longer, so that's why I'm gonna get lock extensions. So yeah, this is my update for you guys. Hope it was interesting. If you have any questions about my locks or how to maintain locks, or any topic you would like to make a video about, just let me know and I'll see what I can do.